Hello viewers, Roshmi here. This is my 60th episode. Today it is entirely a cotton episode. Let's start. First sari, cotton embroidery. Sari number 1. I will show you. This is palla. Half and half portion is yellow and half portion is green. From palla, the half sari will be like this. This is hand katha stitch and the rest half is green. See, this is the look. Sari number 1, price will be 2250 and the rest half is green. It will be like this. Sari number 1, 2250, yellow and green half and half cotton stitch. Sari number 2, this is also hand stitch, 2450. The price of this sari is 2450. Half sari with this katha and kathiawar stitch, hand stitch, all are handmade stitch. Half sari with this jal work and the rest half with the border. The color of this sari is navy blue. I will show you the back side so that you can understand this is handmade stitch, hand stitch, right? The price of this sari is 2450. It is 2450, sari number 2. Sari number 3. Sari number 3 is also 2450. Same type, pattern is same, design is different and the color is different. This is light sea green. Half sari will be like this with hand stitch and the rest half with the border. Price is again 2450. If you want to book the saris, call or WhatsApp 9330866384. This is sari number 4. The price of this sari is 2450. See, this is palla portion. Palla portion will be like this and the entire body, this is the entire body, this is border, these all are katha stitch. These all are katha stitch. See, this is the look. The color is mauve, light mauve you can say, and the material is pure cotton, Bengal cotton. Price is 2450. Now I will show you some signature sari like this is half and half. You have seen all these saris earlier also. Cotton stitch, half sari with stitch work with Gujarati stitch. This half portion with Gujarati stitch, palla then body, and the rest half with the block print. This is the rest half. From pleats it will go and this is the front portion till achal or palla. The price of this sari is 1850. I will show you another 2 more of the same pattern. This is yellow. This is the yellow sari. Yellow one with Gujarati stitch, entire body, and this portion, half portion is with the block print. Price is again 1850. Next one, this is also same pattern, designs are different, blocks are different and the colors are also different. See, from palla, half sari will be with the work and the rest half with the block print. The color is maroon and with white. Price again 1850. Now this is sari number 8. Price is 2250. The base material is pure cotton, Bengal cotton. entire sari with Gujarati work. With Gujarati work. See, this is palla portion and this is the body. Light pink color. This is the look of the sari. Right? Pure cotton material. Next one, blue color. Next one, blue color, palla portion and the entire body with the buta and border. See, there is a lower border and upper border. This will be the look. I will show you. See, this is the look of the sari. Price is again 2250. 2250. This is light sky blue color. Next one, sari number 10. This is also 2250. This is also Gujarati stitch with border. The base color is brown, light brown with chocolate body, chocolate border. See, this is the look of the sari. This is the entire sari. The price of this sari is also 2250. This is the entire sari. The price is 2250. All are Gujarati stitch and these all are hand stitch. Next one, another Gujarati, but this is half and half. Sari number 11, half and half. Palla portion. Palla portion, the half body is with peach, light peach color and the half body is with yellow color. See, price is again 2250. These all are pure cotton material, pure Bengal cotton. Next one, sari number 12. This is also a cotton Gujarati stitch. Palla portion and the entire body with this work. Entire body with the border and buta. Mirror are also there, and this is sari number, I think sari number 12. Price is 2250. The color of this sari is light yellow. Now sari number 13. This is cotton bandage based on cotton material. Blouse piece. This plain portion is the blouse piece and the body is like this with the bandage work. Both side borders are there. Both side borders are there, and this portion is the palla. This portion is the palla and this is a border. Price is 2150. Orange color. Next one, this is green and violet. Green and violet combination. See, this is the look. Palla portion. Palla portion. And the blouse piece is also on violet, and the entire sari with the bandage and hand woven border. Color is bottle green with purple. Price 2150. Next one, sari number 15. Sari number 15 is same sari with green and blue combination. See, this is palla. Palla portion with these all saris are with blouse piece, and this is the body, the color of the body. Next one, another green with pink combination. See, palla portion, the body color is green, and this is the body. Viewers, if you like the program, share with your friends, subscribe, and definitely press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. This is sari number 17. This is khadi cotton. Khadi cotton, pure Bengal khadi cotton. See, from this you can understand the look of the sari. This is upper border. This is upper border, and this one is the lower border. I will show you the lower border. Hand woven border. The color of this sari is white. Base color is white with the red and black combination. The price of this sari is 1600. I will show you some more colors on this same design. This is black with pink. This is black with pink. See, this is the border. Price is 1600. You can call or WhatsApp 9330866384. Next one, sari number 19. This is grey with black combination. Same pattern, same design, only the colors are different. See, this is grey with black. This is the look of the sari. Price is 1600. Material is pure khadi cotton. Pure khadi cotton. Very easy to wear and very comfortable one. If you like the program, share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. This is another one, beige with red and black combination. Same pattern, only the colors are different. This is also a khadi cotton. This is also khadi cotton. Price is 1600. Now I will show you Chanderi Ajrak. Viewers, these all are pure Chanderi Ajrak. These all are hand block print. Ajrak, handmade Ajrak. These are not screen printing. This is Achal portion, Palla, pure Ajrak print, hand print, hand block. This is not screen printing. With a close view of the sari, you can easily understand. See, this is the close view. You will understand that this is pure Ajrak print, hand block print. This is not screen printing. I will mention this again and again that it is hand block print. The color is green. Original price was 3150. Now the price will be 2950. I will show you 4 colors. It was green, earlier one. Now it is blue. This is blue. Material is Chanderi. Price is 3150. Now the discounted price is 2950. Color is blue. Next one, red. Sari number 23. This portion is the Palla portion. These all the saris have blouse pieces also. Palla portion, the entire body. This is the entire body, and this is the blouse piece. These all are pure hand block Ajrak. The price is 2950 after discount. And the last one of today's episode is sari number 24. It is yellow, mustard yellow. Palla portion. Let me show you in this way. Sorry. Palla portion. This is Palla portion. Entire body is like this. This is the entire body. And the blouse piece of this sari is this. This is the blouse piece. Again the price is 2950. 2950 is the discounted price. Viewers, I have shown you 24 cotton sarees, all with Gujarati stitch and handmade stitch, some ajrak and also some khadi cotton. If you like the program, share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. My contact number 9330866384.